Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your car icon in 2026 in the Waze app. Do you want to give your Waze map a more personal look? You can change the vehicle icon that presents you on the map. Here's exactly how to do it. But before we start, the Waze app is available in the Play Store and also in the App Store if you want to download it on your mobile device and benefit from an easy and practical driving experience. Now let's go back to our topic and learn how to change the car icon in the Waze app in 2026. So the first thing you want to do is to open the Waze app and tap on the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Then you're going to select the settings. And after that, depending on your version, you're going to look for the display and map and then find the option for your vehicle or car icon. Let's look for the display and map. This is the map display here. And then you're going to look for the option that says car icon. You're going to click on it. Now you're going to wait for it to display or to load. And another quick, as you can see here, there are a lot of options. You can choose from these icons. You can choose arrow, bus, blue car, green car, race car, red car, yellow car. It's definitely customizable. Another quick way is to tap your current vehicle icon directly on the map and if that option is available. And Waze will open the available vehicle choices and you may see different cars and other themed icons depending on your current location and accounts or current Waze events. Now, once selected, you can return to the map. As you can see, for example, I'm going to choose the race car here. And then your new vehicle icon should now represent you while you are navigating. As you can see, I'm using the 3D version, so it's in this 3D. And that's how you changed your car icon in the Waze app in 2026. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.